A very good morning, students. Today we will be learning about partnership. That is chapter number 1 from your accounts book. Here, what do you understand by partnership? Partnership is an association between two or more person. When two person and more person come together, agree to start a partnership firm, and they also agree to share profit and losses, is known as partnership. See, if you want to start a partnership, there must be minimum two peoples and maximum 50 peoples as prescribed by the Partnership Act 2013. See, this partnership can be oral and can be written. Supposedly there are two persons, person A and person B. They orally decided that they will start a business or a partnership, then this partnership also valid. ठीक है, और it may be it is written. Suppose A and B they decided that partner should be in written, then this written agreement is known as partnership deed. Class B, as I told you, there are two situations. First situation when there is a partnership deed. Second situation when there is an absence of partnership deed. You must follow some certain rules in the absence of partnership deed. Let us see some rules. Number first rule is sharing of profit ratio. See, profit must be shared equally. There is no interest on capital should be charged. There is no interest on drawing should be charged. There is no salary, no commission should be charged. But interest on loan will be charged at a rate 6% per annum. Understood that thing? Let us talk about how you can calculate the amount of interest on drawings, interest on capital, interest on loan and commission amount. The first topic we will be learning about interest on drawings. We have certain cases. Case number 1, when the date of withdrawal is given. Supposedly the formula will be total drawings multiply by rate divide by 100 into month divide by 12. If the days are given, so number of days divide by 365 year 365 days or 366 days if it is a leap year. Let us take an example. For example, you have the total drawing of 80,000. Rate of interest is given 6% per annum. Please pay attention what is written here, 6% per annum. Okay, so date of withdrawal is 1st November 2025 and your closing date of accounts is 31st March 2026. So how many months are there? November, December, January, February, March. That is 5 months. So 80,000 6% rate into 5 divided by 12 become 2,000 rupees. So basically interest on drawing become 2,000 rupees. Let us learn about case number 2, when case says that when the date of withdrawal is not given. Simply total drawing is 80,000, rate is 6% per annum. See here, this question is important for the board point of view also. Date of withdrawal is not given. If date of withdrawal is not given, then you have to assume that interest of drawing you have to calculate for 6 months. Understood that thing beta? चलिएगा एक एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. 80,000 rupees is the total drawing. You have to charge 6% per annum and here is नहीं लिखा कुछ भी बट हम खुद ही मानेंगे. यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग फॉर 6 months. तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन यू गॉट 6,400.